2025 Chevrolet Traverse restores the high country trim, drops LS trim. LT becomes the new base trim, which will raise the entry-level price. 2024 Chevrolet Traverse RS. View 33 photos. According to the early order guide, the second year of the Chevrolet Traverse's third generation will restore the high country trim. This is usually Chevrolet's top trim. It was last seen on the midsize SUV for the 2023 model year, the final year of the second generation model. Back then, the trim steps went LS, LT, RS, Premier, High Country. And the High Country grade comes back for 2025, however, it's going to sit beneath the RS. Combined with the fact that the current entry-level LS trim won't see the 2025 model year, coming trim walk will go LT, Z71, High Country, RS. At the other end, the High Country will emphasize being the shiny luxury option. For instance, every trim but the High Country gets standard roof rails. It will be the only trim to fit body-colored door handles with a chrome strip and bright work around the top of the greenhouse. The High Country sits on 22-inch aluminum wheels instead of the brazen metallic and high-gloss black wheels found on the rest of the lineup. Equipment-wise, much of the standard High Country kit comes from the sporty RS above. That goes for the LED headlights with animations and sequential turn signals, dimmable and power-folding outside mirrors, rain-sense wipers, Bose 10-speaker audio, active noise cancellation, driver confidence package with HD surround vision and traffic sign recognition, and 3 years of Super Cruise. Not all of the kit, the powered panoramic sunroof is a standalone option. Fancy trim also gets 2 interior options to itself, one in jet black with bronze accents, the other in jet black with sky cool gray accents. Harvest Bronze Metallic joins the color palette, but it will only be available on the Z71. Meaning High Country owners will miss a chance to provide a nice contrast with the interior. The new Stardust Metallic looks to be the exclusive color for the High Country. No matter the trim, the Traverse comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder making 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque, shifting through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Z71 only comes with AWD. The other trims are either front drivers or AWD. Pricing isn't out, so we don't know where Chevy plans to put the MSRP floor. The 2025 Traverse LS starts at $40,995 after destination.